Okay, class. Let me ask you a question. Are you ready to make $150,000 per year? Baby, this is the type of money that'll set you free. And it's real. It's real. It's real for you too. You want me to show you? Okay, bet. Hold on. I'm about to show you. But before I do, let me ask you a quick question. Listen, if you could make $150,000 a year, only work 3 days a week for 1 hour a day, how would that change your life? Get this, doing something that you love to do. That's the thing. Baby, you got to figure out what you love to do because that is the key to making your money. 1 hour a day, 3 days a week, $150,000. Now, that type of money helps people leave corporate America. That type of money helps people quit their job. You don't have to quit your job, but now you have options, okay? Everybody wants an option. Everybody wants an option. You have the options for changing your address. You have the option to change your car. You have the option to go on more vacations. You will have options. So pay close attention to the following screens as I share with you how I've done it so that you can do it too. I know you can do it because I did it, right? And I'm not that special. I'm no more special than you. If I did it, you can do it too. And I want to be the one to show you how. Like this video, share it with everybody you know, because who else gonna give you this real like me? Okay, hold on. Look at this. Hey, so let me show you behind the scenes here. Now, what you see is just one of my groups, okay? This is one of my groups. It's called Make $1,000 to $10,000 a month as a notary. You didn't know that was even possible. I know, but just like this is a niche that a lot of people don't know is even possible, you probably have a niche in your mind that other people don't know is possible. And look at this. I want you to look at these numbers. $39 a month, right? $39 a month, 319 members. All right, so let's do the math on this thing. Let's do the math. Let's bring up our handy calculator. And we're going to do 39 times 319. That is $12,441 per month. All right. Multiply that times 12. $149,292. You are just shy of $150,000 a year. Just shy of $150,000 per year. So guess what? If you want to make $150,000 a year divided by 12, you'd have to make $12,500 per month and divide that by this real cheap price at $39. All you need is one more member. One more member. And you at $150,000 a year. Okay? One member away. Now, I did something that all of you can do. This is a group. It's on a platform. I have a community, right? This says community. It's just like my own little Facebook group. We call this the Success Circle Mastermind, where you learn, collaborate, and grow. And these are notaries. First step to becoming a notary. Class, okay? You see these people, they are posting exactly as you would on a Facebook group. Okay? exactly as you would on a Facebook group. Now, what makes this thing so amazing is this. It has a classroom. Now, for my notary group, I have 3 different levels in one group. I am not a notary yet. I'm a notary, but not a signing agent. I'm a signing agent, but I need more business. And as you go through this, or as they go through this, they simply complete these steps. And then we meet 3 days a week, 1 freaking hour per day. 3 days a week, 1 hour per day, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. 6:30 Central Standard Time, and I make $12,000 to do that per month. So how much do you work on your job, and how much time do you spend, and how much money do you make? You tell me, is it worth learning how to do this? Learning how to grow this? Learning how to change your life? Baby, it is so worth it. Listen, there's a link below. I want you to join me in this group so that I can show you exactly how to do this, how to set up a curriculum within your school group, how to teach people how to do something that you are already an expert at. And I'll walk you through the steps of even figuring out what you like to do, what you're good at doing, what you want to talk about all the time. Guess what? You don't just have to have one group. I have this group. I have another group where I teach people how to do this. And I have a group for a thrifting community in Houston. Now, the price points, we go through all of that. And not only that, this is your monthly income. But I teach you how to become a millionaire just based off of this base income. Because there are ways that some of these people don't want to go through all of the steps required. So what if you did all those steps for them and they paid you to do it? And what if you created a mastermind, a true mastermind, doing what you do, where you could promise them a certain level of a finished product and you raise the price on that and sell it as a high ticket offer. I show you how to do all of that. But the reason for this is definitely not to brag on me, baby. It's to show you that this is possible and it doesn't take as much work and it's not as hard as your doggone job. I promise you that. Okay? So click that link below, join the school group, hop in and let me show you how to do this. It ain't gonna take that long. I'm telling you. All it takes is some dedication. But with anything you do, you're going to have to be consistent. You're going to have to make up your mind to show up and be consistent. That's the whole thing about everything, right? And you can change your life just by being consistent. And I'll walk you through the entire thing. Anyway, on this thing, the screen, there's a leaderboard. You know, we have various leaders. We have, here's our members. We have a calendar of events. I'm having a big notary event in Houston in November. All of that stuff is on the calendar. We have the classrooms. And of course, we have the community. So, like I said, everything here is amazing. And I want to show you how to do the exact same thing. Get this money and get free from corporate America. Is that you? You ready? Come on in. Hey, this is TJ. I'm so glad that I found you and that you found me. Listen, click that like button. Share this video with every single person that you think may be interested in making money doing what they love to do. Okay? Because I know that there are millions of people that would find this interesting and actually need this subject matter. So send it to them. Also, I want to invite you to my school group where you can learn more. Listen, it's time to change your life. It's time. So join the group where I can have more of an opportunity to chat with you one-on-one and show you exactly what you need to do and coach you through this whole process. Okay? I'll see you on the other side, and make sure that you click that link below. God bless.